I want to wish all of you a very good morning. So here's what I'm going to say. Good morning, pandas! Come on, you can do better than that. Good morning, pandas! That's the kind of roaring welcome I like to hear. You know, I have the privilege as the state superintendent to go around the state and visit schools. And so I had a chance before I came into the assembly today to go into your classrooms and visit some of you, to talk with you, and to talk with your teachers. And you know what I heard? And you know what I saw? Some amazing teaching and learning going on. I saw students who were problem solving. I saw students who were collaborating with each other. I saw students who were thinking critically. I saw students who were engaged in public speaking. They were presenting just like I'm presenting today. I saw a school full of learners, from the staff right through to the teachers, and I'm so impressed that you have embraced in your school a philosophy that says we are all here learning together, our staff and our students. And I want to applaud you, your staff, your parents, your administrative team, your Board of Education for the fabulous programming that you have in your school for all of you. It truly, truly is amazing. So I'm going to stop